WordPress and plugins, welcome to the next video, our basic guide to understanding a CMS. We're going to run you through WordPress, which is, for this course, what we'll be using on our backend as our CMS. CMS is a content management system. It's essentially a software application or set of related programs that are used to create and manage digital content. So this is where we're going to go into the back of our website, so that way we can upload photos, images, change URL structures, and a lot of the technical pieces that we need to do to help our site get better positioning in search. We're also going to add a Divi theme. Divi theme, this right now is my favorite theme, which it has page builder options, so that way I can easily go in, make updates, edit, and adjust by simply putting in modules, which I'll show you here in a bit in one of the next videos. So feel free to go to Elegant Themes to download it. Also, I'd appreciate it if you did hit the affiliate link and go that route. Always welcome to that. Now, our WordPress plugins that we're going to get Yoast SEO, W3 Total Cache, NK Google Analytics, and AdScript Header Footer. So let's jump into those so that way you can see what I'm talking about, being if this is new to you. Okay, go ahead, log into your host, which we had talked about in the previous video. Then you're going to go to cPanel. Now on cPanel, you're going to look for Install WordPress. Go ahead, install WordPress. Make sure that you want to do it when you install it on your www subdomain. Now the reason we use the subdomain is that if anything happens as far as someone coming after you, spamming your site, there's a little added protection, so that way we can change the subdomain from www maybe to www1, www2, and it's not our root domain that's getting hit. Keep the directory blank. You're going to go next, and then you're going to follow the process for setting up your password, an email that it's going to be sent to, and go ahead and on your host complete setting up WordPress. I know I'm using Bluehost. We want to be using Pure Speed hosting, but I'd already set up the site on the Bluehost. Now, once you do that, you're going to go and you're going to get to your WordPress backend, which is wp-login with the domain. You're going to log in. And this is going to take you to your WordPress dashboard. Now the WordPress dashboard, this is where we're going to be doing and going to our pages, setting up our theme. So one of the first things that we do is that you can here add in your Divi theme if you had got it, or you can choose from any of their themes. So examples are, if you didn't add the Divi theme, you can choose from a number of free WordPress themes, and WordPress has a lot of themes that you can go through if you're not looking to pay for a theme like Divi. Now, our plugins is what then we would install second, as we have some that are automatically come with WordPress, like Akismet, Anti-Spam, Hello Dolly, Jetpack, but we're going to add, and if you do get the Divi theme, you want to add Elegant Themes Updater, Monarch plugin. You're going to want NK Google Analytics. This is so that way we can add Google Analytics, W3 Total Cache, Yoast SEO, and that should be good to get started. Those are what I put on most of my sites, regardless of what I'm doing with them. And then you have go into a different video about how to set up your SEO, your Yoast SEO, and look at the different options that we have for building out our site. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. We're going to go over some more great content. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm sure a lot of you already knew about this information and been working on some sites, but for those of you who don't, hopefully this will help you get a better understanding. And also in the SI community, there's going to be some additional information about building a WordPress website.